Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to copy Microsoft Excel table or data into a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so in order to do that, this is my file in as you can see on my screen. And I'm gonna close this file now and then open my Microsoft Word document. And then in order to copy to my Word document, I'm gonna click on Insert. And then on the right hand side you'll find an option called object. Okay, so if you hover over, it shows you its object icon, and then click on it, then click on object, and then not create new, like create from file, because I already have the file, right? So link to file, I have to link this file into the file that I want to bring in. Then browse the local drive where you have put your data in. So this is my data file in Excel, and I'm gonna bring it in. So insert, and then click OK. Give me few seconds basically, and then here you go. So it's been successfully converted, like transported to Microsoft Word document from Microsoft Excel. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you find my videos and tutorials helpful, please subscribe my channel.